Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, last time we have seen with the practical also that how do the acids and metals are reacting. So what we have seen that when metals are reacting with the acid, they produces the hydrogen gas. Similarly, bases also when react with the metals, they are also producing the hydrogen gas along with making the salt. Okay, but the salt which is formed over there, that is a little bit complex over here. So when we are talking about the acids reaction with the metal or bases reaction with the metal, common reaction that goes on, that is making the product as a salt and the hydrogen gas. So dear student, this is what you have seen. Now see, when hydrogen gas is liberated, see, actually I performed the practical and you saw that video also, that I have taken the H2SO4 and I have dropped the zinc granules in that. So hydrogen gas was liberated. But how to check that that was the hydrogen gas? So what we have to do, we have to pass that gas into the soap solution as it is shown in the figure diagram. And from there the bubbles will be coming out, which is the bubbles of the hydrogen gas. So when you're going to bring the lighted matchstick or the candle near the bubbles, they are going to burst with the pop sound. The pop sound is the indication that the gas which is present is the hydrogen gas. So dear student, this is a simple activity which you can understand, which we have performed also and which we are explaining you here also. So that is the activity which says that. Okay, now when we talk about like the metals when reacting with the base, so they are also going to produce the salt that will be little bit complex. Along with that, the hydrogen gas will be liberated off. Suppose if we say zinc plus NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, so we'll be getting sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. Okay, what happens when metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react with acid? हमने पहले देखा कि मेटल एंड एसिड कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं. अभी देखना ये है मेटल कार्बोनेट, दैट इज example you can take sodium carbonate, or else when we talk about metal hydrogen carbonate, we can take sodium hydrogen carbonate. So what happen when these are reacting with the acids? So when we talk about this particular also, dear student, here the reaction will be same. The salt will be produced, but now two more product will be formed, that is water plus carbon dioxide. So water plus carbon dioxide are the two more compounds when we talk about the metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. The reactions are shown over here, that is, see, when we talk about sodium carbonate plus HCl, we get NaCl, that is a salt, plus carbon dioxide plus water. Similarly, sodium hydrogen carbonate, dear student, we are getting the same product like NaCl, that is salt, plus carbon dioxide plus hydrogen gas. A very big question arises that how do we come to know that the gas which is liberated is the carbon dioxide? क्योंकि जब बबल्स निकलते हैं वो तो ऑक्सीजन के भी हो सकते हैं, हाइड्रोजन के भी हो सकते हैं, या तो फिर वो भी हो सकते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के. तो अगर हाइड्रोजन के हैं तो कैसे पता चलेगा? We have to pass it into the soap solution, and when it is bursting with the pop sound, that gives the indication of the hydrogen gas. But यहाँ पर ये चीज नहीं हो रही है. इसका मतलब जो बबल्स है वो किसी और गैस के है. तो यहाँ पे हम इसको चेक कैसे करेंगे? Dear student, if we talk about the checking process over here, what we have to do? We have to pass the particular gas liberated into the calcium hydroxide solution. So calcium hydroxide solution क्या है आपका? CaOH twice, that is your calcium hydroxide. So when we are passing the particular calcium hydroxide का जो solution है वो कैसा है? Clear solution है. मतलब वो उतना ज़्यादा transparent भी नहीं कह सकते, translucent भी नहीं कह सकते, but it is a little bit turbid type of the solution. So when we are going to pass the carbon dioxide, dear student, calcium hydroxide का जो solution है उसमें white color particles will be starting developing it over here. As I have just zoomed the video slide over here, you are able to see calcium hydroxide में हमें pass करना है gas. So dear student, क्या होगा? As soon as the carbon dioxide will be reacting with calcium hydroxide, it will start to form calcium carbonate, जिसकी वजह से आपका जो lying water है, turbidity है, which will be start converting into milky, which shows that there is a presence of the carbon dioxide gas liberating. तो अगर कोई पूछे कि हाइड्रोजन गैस कैसे चेक करना है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस कैसे चेक करना है, तो there are the different tests which you have to perform. Hydrogen will be bursting with the pop sound in the soap solution. When carbon dioxide, when passing on the calcium hydroxide solution, it turns the lime water milky. Lime water मतलब आपका calcium hydroxide water, that is also called lime water. It turns it milky. So dear student, this is the two particular reactions we are studying today. And also remember, अगर आप ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए अगर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस पास करेंगे तो ये जो लाइम वाटर मिल्की हुआ था वो अगेन कैसा हो जाएगा, टर्बिड हो जाएगा, मतलब वो जो व्हाइट प्रेसिपिटेट्स थे वो नहीं दिखेंगे. इसका रीजन है पासिंग मोर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन, दैट इज लाइम सॉल्यूशन. इट मेक्स कैल्शियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. अब जो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट होता है दैट इज वाटर सॉल्यूबल, उसको बाइकार्बोनेट भी कहते हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, दैट इज कंप्लीटली सॉल्यूबल इन द वाटर, सो वी कैन नॉट गो विद दैट पर्टिकुलर. यहाँ पे रिएक्शन गिवन है, दैट इज द कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड व्हाइट प्रेसिपिटेट्स, एंड दैट व्हाइट प्रेसिपिटेट्स आर ऑफ योर कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. सो ये कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट डिसॉल्व हो जाता है जब ये बन जाता है कैल्शियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. और ये कैल्शियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट कब बनता है, जब हम ज्यादा टाइम के लिए कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को पास करते हैं इनटू कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन. So today we have studied the two particular reactions. We are going to continue with the next reactions in our next video.